Hi everyone, welcome to PR Academy. Today we discuss the rate of change, or we can say rate measure also, both same. Rate of change. Here, suppose the function y equal to f of x. Change in x, already we know that. Change in x is what here? Delta x. Change in y is what here? Delta y. So delta y by delta x. Here, delta y by delta x, then it is average rate of change of y with respect to x. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is what here? Dy by difference dx. What is dy by dx? Here, the rate of change of y with respect to x. So that is limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is what here? Dy by dx. Suppose we know that velocity is what here? Rate of change of distance. Yes, with respect to t. So velocity is ds by dt. Acceleration is dv by dt or d square s by dt square. Accelerator is denoted by a. Velocity is v. Here, suppose a equal to pi r square. When you find out the problem, you have to follow the 4-5 steps are there. So here A is what here? A is the quantity. Here what is the pi is the suppose area of circle is pi r square A equal to pi r. Pi is what here? Constant. R is what here? Variable. R is variable. If R changes, if R is small, circle is small. So if R increases, circle will be larger. Depend on the radius. So yeah, that's why. So what is R here? R is a parameter. Here A equal to pi r square, then dA by dr is what here? Rate of change of area with respect to r. Rate of change of quantity is rate of change of quantity. Quantity with respect to the parameter. So the rate of change of quantity with respect to the parameter. So that is here what is there? Where q is what here? Quantity and p is what here? Parameter. Here rate of change of x at a time, that is dx by dt. We know suppose dx by dt greater than 0, dx by dt less than 0. Here greater than 0 is positive, less than 0 is less than 0 is negative. Here dx by dt is positive. If f increases as f t increases. Here it is negative. If x decreases as t increases. So that is dx by dt. Rate of change of y with respect to x. Y equal to f of x. Then we can say its differentiation dy by dx are f of x. So what is y here? Dependent quantity. X is independent quantity. X is dependent quantity. X is independent quantity. Here rate of change of area, that is dA by dr. So that is change of in area by change of in radius. So here suppose the quantity we can do two parts, that is dq differentiation, the rate of change of quantity with respect to pr, the rate of change of quantity with respect to t also. So r we can write this, we can write here rate of change of quantity with respect to parameter into rate of change of parameter with respect to t. So that is with respect to parameter with respect to t. So that is we can do 2. So that is here we follow the 5 steps here. First introduce, it is first variables. So what are the variables in the given problem? You choose it here. So draw a figure and next given right down here. And third one, dy by dx is greater than 0. It is y increases, x is also increases. dy by dx less than 0. Here y decreases and x is increases. So these are the next fourth one, formula. So suppose the problem is given in terms of both variables. So both terms. So you have to convert into one term. Yeah, either r or either h. Depend on the problem. It is converted to in the single term here. So that is formula is one variable. Formula is one variable and last write down here units compulsory. So meters per second, that is depend on the problem. So you have to write the units are compulsory here. So that is the last step. Here next marginal cost is the instantaneous rate of change of total cost with respect to the number of items produced in an instant. So Next, marginal revenue is the instantaneous rate of change of total revenue with respect to number of times sold at an instant. So marginal cost, marginal level. So here distance, velocity, acceleration. So based on these problems we will do now. This is the concept of the rate of change or rate measure. First one. A stone thrown upwards. A stone thrown upwards has its equation. Equation of motion S equal to 490t minus 4.9t square. Then the maximum height. Maximum height reached by it is. So first option 242,4500. Second option 12,500. And third one 12,250. Fourth one 25,400. See here, a stone thrown upwards, its equation of motion S equal to 490t minus 4.9 into t square. Then the maximum height. So maximum height velocity is 0. So maximum height, so that is velocity 0, and it is let's show that acceleration is maximum. So here ds by dt with respect to t differentiation 1, 490, t square differentiation 2, 4.9 into 2t. Here t square s by dt square is how much here? So first ds by dt find out here. ds by dt equal 0. Then that is 490 equal to, it is how much here? 9.8 into t. Then t equal to 490 by 9.8. So that equal to 4900 by 98. 98 how many times cancel is here? So 2 4 ja, 2 9 ja, 2 4 2 2 ja, 2450. Next 7 7 ja, 7 3 ja, 7 5 0. So it is how much here? 50. Here t equal to 50. Here d square by s by dt square. And t equal to 50. Find out here. That equal how much here? It is minus 4.9 into 2. So it is how much here? Less than 0. So it is maximum at t equal to 50. Next, therefore maximum value equal to maximum value. So that is s of 50. S 50 equal to 490 into 50 minus 4.9. 50 square equal to how much here? 2500. So that equal to, simplify here. 0 0 5 2 4 5 0 0 minus, so that is 49 into 250, 49 250, 0 you take it, 4 2 4, so it is how much here? 49 2500, so that 49 into 250, 5 into 2 0 12, so 0 5 2 4 14 250. So 14 250 equal how much here? 14 250 na 0 2 here 10 12 250, 12 250, 12 250 equal how much remaining here? 12,250. So what is the maximum height reached here? So that is 12,250, third option. Next one. Second one. A particle is moving along a line ascending to the line s equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 4t minus 2 where s is measured in meters. S is measured in meters and t is measured in seconds. T is measured in seconds. Then the velocity in meters per second. Meters per second of the particle when its acceleration is 0. Is first option 2, second one 1/4, third one 17/4, fourth one 1. See, a particle is moving along a line ascending to the law S given, where S is measured in meters and T is measured in seconds. Then the velocity of the particle when the acceleration is 0. For dv by dt find out, ds by dt find out, and dv by dt find out, and equal to 0, then you will get the t value. So S is how much here? T cube minus 3t square plus 4t minus 2. So ds by dt is equal to 3t square minus 6t plus 4. Here d square s by dt square equal how much? 60 minus 6 equal 0. Then t equal how much here? Fourth option. The volume of a sphere is increasing at the rate of 1200 cubic centimeters per second. The rate of increase increase in its surface area when the radius is 10 centimeters is 10 centimeters is first one 240 square centimeters per second, second 200 square centimeters per second, third 100 square centimeters per second, 200 240 120 square centimeters per second, and fourth one 100 square centimeters per second. The volume of a sphere is increasing at the rate of 1200 cubic centimeters per second. The rate of increasing in its area, surface area, when radius is 10 centimeters is. So first what is given here? So dV by dt equal to 1200 cubic centimeters per second. Next increasing, that is surface area. Next we will take here first volume of the, we have two parts. First part is volume of sphere and second part is surface area. We will take here surface area, its radius is how much given? 10 centimeters given. So first volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a sphere. So V equal 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here dV by dt equal to 4 pi by 3 into 3 r square dr by dt. 3 is the case. So what is dV by dt? 1200 equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. So this is how much here? 300. So dr by dt equal to 300 by how much here? Pi r square. 300 by pi r square. Next, surface area of a sphere. S equal to how much here? 4 pi r square. So that is ds by dt equal to 4 pi into 2r dr by dt. Here what is given here? When surface area, when radius is 10 centimeters, here radius equal to how much here? 10 centimeters. So that is 4 pi into 2 into 10 into dr by dt is how much here? 300 by pi r square. R square is 100. So here pi cancel, zeros cancel, equal to how much here? It is 20, 60, 60 into 4. How much here this is? 3, 30, 60, 64, 240. 240 square centimeters per second. A man of height. A man of height 2 meters, 2 meters walks at a uniform, walks at a uniform speed of 7 meters per minute. 7 meters per minute away from a lamp post. Away from a lamp post of height 9 meters. Of height 9 meters. The rate in meters. The rate in meters per minute. Per minute. At which the length of shadow increases. First option 2, second option 5/2, third option 3, fourth option 7/2. So it is given. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, E. It is theta. So it is 9 given. It is 2 meters given. Suppose this distance is D. So it is yes. So we will find out this one. Okay. A man of height 2 meters walks at a uniform speed of how much here? 7 meters per minute. Yeah, this is dd by dt. dd by dt equal to 7 meters per minute. Next, away from the lamp post, and the height is how much here? 9 given AB. The rate of at which the length of the shadow increases. So we have find out here. Here ds by dt equal to how much? So we have find out ds by dt equal to how much? From triangle ABC, see here. From triangle ABC, tan theta equal to how much here? Opposite by AB by BC. AB by BD plus DC. 9 by D plus S. Next, from triangle EDC. From triangle EDC, tan theta equal to ED by BC, that equal to 2 by S. So both are tan theta equating RHS. 9 by D plus S equal to 2 by S, cross multiplication. 9S equal to 2D plus 2S. So 7S equal to 2D, then S equal to 2 by 7D. So we will find out the rate of change of in S. So that is ds by dt equal to 2 by 7 into dd by dt. That is 2 by 7 into dd by dt. How much given? 7. Yeah, 7 cancel. But how much here? 2. So first option. One. The height of a right circular cylinder is decreasing while its diameter diameter is increasing at a rate of 4 centimeters per second, so as to keep its value unchanged. The rate of change in its change in its lateral surface area in centimeters per second, square centimeters per second. At the instant when its diameter is when its diameter is 8 centimeters and height is 12 centimeters. Height is 12 centimeters is first one. Yeah, first one it is minus 24 pi. Second one 48 pi. Third one 24 minus next 24 pi, and fourth one minus 48 pi. So what is given here? dr by dt equal to 2 centimeters per second and r equal to 4 centimeters, h equal to 12 centimeters. So here volume pi r square h. The height of a right circular cylinder is decreasing while its diameter increasing at a rate of 4 centimeters per second. Here diameter given. So diameter and radius means by 2 right down here. So in terms of convert to radius means it is by 2 means it is what here 2 centimeters per second. The dr by dt is how much here? 2 centimeters per second. And next what is given? Volume is unchanged. The rate of change in its lateral surface area at the instant when diameter is 8 centimeters given. So 8 is how much here? Diameter 8 means radius is how much here? By 2. It means radius is 4 and its height is 12 centimeters given here. So here the rate of change is lateral surface area. So here dv by d. Here v is here both are variables here, r and h. R and h both are variables here. Here value is 0, pi into r square dh by dt plus here h into 2r dr by dt. So that implies. So next r is how much here? R is 4 centimeters substitute here. So that is next r square 16 into dh by dt plus r into h, 2 into h is how much here? 12, r is 4 into dr by dt is 2 equal how much is 0. So 16 into dh by dt equal to minus 24 into 8. 16 it is 2, it is how much here? 12. So dh by dt is how much here? Minus 12. So next what here? So surface area here. What is the surface area? Lateral surface area 2 pi rh. So that is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area equal to 2 pi RH. So suppose this is S. ds by dt, here it is 0 equal to 2 pi into R. Here both are variables. Na? So this is 0 dh by dt plus R into h into dr by dt. So that is R into, what is R here? 4 into. So dh by dt is how much here? Minus 12. Plus h is how much here? H. So what we have find out here? So we have find out here ds by dt. We have find out here ds by dt. So that is ds by dt is, so ds by dt equal to minus 4 into minus 12. So into 2 pi is there na. So ds by dt equal to 2 pi into R. What is R here? 4 into ds by dt is how much here? Minus 12. H is plus 12. dr by dt is 2. So dt is, what do I find out here? The rate of changes in lateral surface area. ds by dt is how much? So ds by dt is equal to 2 pi into minus 48 plus 24. So it is how much? Minus 24 into 2 minus 48. Right. So which option correct here? Fourth option. Next. 6. A water tank. A water tank has a shape of an inverted right circular cone. Right circular cone whose semi-vertical angle is tan inverse 1 by 2. Is tan inverse 1 by 2. Now water is poured. Water is poured into a constant rate of meter per rate of 5 cubic meter per minute. Then the rate in meter per minute at which the level of water is rising at the instant when the depth of the water in the tank is 10 meters is first option 2 by pi, second one 1 by 5 pi, 1 by 15 pi, third option 1 by 5 pi, fourth option 1 by 10 pi. So what is given here? Cone. Upper circle, the radius r, it is a height, suppose it is angle alpha, so it is a slant height. increase height R H R. Okay. So this is the total height. Height equal how much given here? 10. Height equal 10. A water tank has shape of an inverted right circular cone. So volume of the cone we have found out here. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And semi-vertical angle, so it is alpha equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. Then tan alpha equal to how much here? 1 by 2. Water is poured into a constant at 5 cubic meters per minute. So dV by dt equal to 5 cubic meter per minute. Then the rate at which the level of water is rising instant. Then the depth of the water in the tank is 10 meters. So we have find out here dH by dt. So what is given here? Once again here. So water depth of the water tank is 10 meters. When the depth of the water. So that is here tan alpha equal to 1 by 2. Tan alpha equal to how much here? 1 by 2 given. From the figure tan alpha equal to how much here? Opposite by adjacent. R by H. Then R equal to H by 2. So it is a convert to single variable. So that is V equal to how much here? Pi by 3 into R equal to substitute here H square by 4 into H. Then V equal to pi by 12 H cube. That is dV by dt equal to pi by 12 into 3H square dH by dt. So dV by dt given. What is dV by dt here? 5. So 5 equal to 3 pi by 12 into H square. H is how much given? 10. 10 square is 100 into dH by dt. The 4 the answer. So 4 to the 4 by the 5 5 the. Then it is how much here? dH by dt equal to 1 by 5. So correction. A spherical iron ball of radius 10 centimeters is coated with a layer of ice of cream. Layer of ice of uniform thickness. That melts at a rate of 50 cubic centimeters per minute. When the thickness of the ice is 5 centimeters. Then the rate at which the thickness thickness in centimeters per minute. Thickness of the ice decreases. First one 1 by 9 pi. Second one 1 by 18 pi. Third one 5 by 6 pi. Fourth one 1 by 36 pi. So what is the iron ball? Spherical iron ball means it is a sphere and it is coated with what here? Ice. So it is 10 centimeters, it is x. A spherical iron ball of radius 10 centimeters given. Radius 10 centimeters. So here its total, it is capital R. Radius equal to how much here? Coated with what here? Ice. R equal to 10 plus x. So coated layer of uniform thickness, the melts at a rate cubic centimeters per minute. So dV by dt given 50 cubic centimeters per minute given. When the thickness of the ice is how much here? 5 centimeters. That is 5x equal to. Next, then the rate at which the thickness of the ice decreases is. So here, volume of the sphere is what here? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dt equal to 4 by 3 pi 3 r square dr by dt. 3 cancel. So what is dV by dt? 50 equal to. So it is how much here? 4 pi. So what is r here? 10 plus x whole square into dr by. So it is, you take here, this is capital R. So this you take here capital R square into dr by dt. So into dr by dt. Okay, now. So it is capital R. Next, substitute here. R equal substitute here. V equal to 4 pi by 3. R is what here? 10 plus x whole cube. Na? So now dV by dt equal to 4 pi by 3. X cube is 3x square. That is 3 plus 10x whole square into dx by dt. So dV by dt is how much given here? 50. D3 cancel. 4 pi. 10 plus x. X is. And the thickness of the ice is how much here? 5 centimeters. That is 10 plus 5 whole square into dx by dt. So here dx by dt equal to 50 by 4 pi into 15 square, it is how much here? 225. So how much here? This is 50, 5 times 2 5 5 2 5 9. So that is equal to 2 by how much here? 2 2 also cancel na? That is equal to 1 by 18. 1 by this ice is decreased at what here? 1 by 18 by 7. Eighth one. The radius of a sphere. The radius of a sphere increasing at the increase at the rate. Increase at the rate of 0.04 centimeters per second. The rate of increase in the volume of that sphere with respect to its surface area. When the radius is 10 centimeters is when the radius is 10 centimeters is first option 16 pi and second one 25 and third one 20, fourth one 5. Here what is given here? Here what is here? dV by dt and surface area. What is the surface area? 4 pi r square. So the radius of a sphere increases at the rate of sphere radius given 0.04 centimeters per second. The radius of increase in the volume of that sphere with respect to area. You observe here volume with respect to volume of the sphere with respect to surface area. Means what here? What we are find out? Suppose dV by ds equal to we are find out dV by ds. Okay? So here volume of the sphere is V equal to how much here? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dt equal to 4 pi by 3 into 3 r square dr by dt. So dV by dt equal to 3 cancel 4 pi r square dr by dt. First one. Next surface area. So what is the surface area? 4 pi r square. ds by dt equal to 4 pi into 2r dr by dt. Here dV by ds equal to dV by dt by ds by dt. What is dV by dt? 4 pi r square dr by dt by dV by dt is 8 pi r dr by dt. 1 r cancel. That equal to how much here? R by 2. What is the radius given? When radius is 10 centimeters. So that equal to 10 by 2, it is how much here? Which is correct here? Fourth option. A ladder of 5 meters long rests against a vertical wall with the lower end on the horizontal. On the horizontal ground. The lower end of the ladder is pulled along the ground away ground away from the wall, away from the wall at the rate 3 meters per second, 3 centimeters per second, centimeters per second. The height of the upper end, height of the upper end in meters, in meters, while it is descending, while it is descending, it is descending at the rate of 4 centimeters per second, 4 meters, 4 centimeters per second. First one is given 3 meters. It is also 3 meters per second. 4 centimeters per second. 4 centimeters per second is dash. First option 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a ladder. It is a y. Here dx by dt is given 3 centimeters per second given, and dy by dt is minus 4 centimeters per second. A ladder of 5 meters along rests. So a vertical wall, it is how much is 5 against vertical wall, and on the horizontal ground the lower the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate 3 centimeters per, how much here, 3 centimeters per second. The height of the upper end while it is descending at the rate of here 4 centimeters per second. So here, so it is downwards, no? Down means it is how much here? So it is descending. So dy by dt equal to minus 4 centimeters per second. So from the triangle we know that is right angle triangle, x square plus y square equal to how much here? 25. So 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt is constant is 0. So x dx by dt equal to minus y dy by dt. So x, what is the dx by dt? 3. 3x equal to here minus minus plus 4y. Then what do I find out here? Here y equal to, you take here 3 by 4 into x. Y equal to 3 by 4 into x. So dy by dt is dy by dt. So y equal to 3 by 4x. Substitute in which equation? First equation. So y we have found out na. In terms of y, convert here. So x equal to, you take here. X equal to how much here? 4y by 3. Y we have found out. So substitute here, that is 16y square by 9 plus y square equal to 25. That is 16y square plus 9y square 25 into 9. That is 25y square equal to 25 into 9. 25 cancel. Y is how much here? 3. Third option. A spherical balloon. A spherical balloon is filled with 4,500 cubic meters of helium gas. Of a leak in the balloon. Balloon causes the gas to escape at the rate of 72 pi cubic meters per minute. 72 pi cubic meters per minute. Then the ratio bracket in meters per minute. At which the radius of the balloons decreases 49 minutes after the leakage began. First one 2/9, second one 9/2, third one 9/7, fourth one 7/9. So here two types here, velocity after 49. So first velocity equal how much given here? 4,500 given here. And dV by dt is how much here? It is what here? Leakage means so that is down means here, decrease means minus 72 cubic meters per minute. Next, volume of the sphere. First, volume of the sphere is what here? 4/3 pi r cube. So dV by dt equal to 4 pi by 3 r square dr by dt. dV by dt equal to 3r square dr by dt. So this is, so dV by dt is how much? 3 sorry. dV by dt equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. 4 pi r square dr by dt. Next, what is given here? Initial value given. What is given next? A spherical balloon is filled with 4,505 cubic meters of helium gas. Of a leak in the balloon causes the gas to escape the rate of 72 pi cubic meters per minute. The ratio at which the radius of the balloon decreases 49 minutes after the leakage. After the 49 minutes. So here volume, right on here, this is volume after 49 minutes. 49 minutes, it is how much here? 4,505 minus 72 into how much here? A spherical balloon bar at the rate of 72 pi, the radius decreases 49 into 49. Multiply here. 72 into 49. 2528. Oh, 4500 is 72 pi na? 4500 pi minus 25282 pi. 2528. Subtracting here. 4500 is how much here? 2. It is how much here? 7. It is 9. 1972. So it is how much here? 19972. 3538. This is 3528. Once you check here, 3528. I can check it here. So 972 will come here. So how much here is it? 972 pi Vt. Okay na? Now value we take here nt 4 by 3 pi r cube dv by dt equal to 4 pi by 3 3r square dr by dt. So a spherical balloon is filled with more than 505 cubic meters helium gas. So that is 72 given. Then the ratio at which the radius of the balloon. So that is then the ratio rate. Then the question. And then the ratio at which the radius. So we have find out here v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So what is V here? V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 972 pi minus 4 pi by 3 into R is, what is R here? Then R equal to given here, a spherical balloon. So R we have find out. R we have find out here. So pi cancel. So 4 to the 243. So R cube equal to 243 into 3. That is 729. So this is 9 cube we can write here. Then R equal to 9. So what is R here? R equal to 9. So from, suppose you say this is 1. From 1, dV by dt equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. Substitute here. R value dV by dt. Substitute here. So that is minus 72 pi. Equal to 4 pi r square is 81 into dr by dt. So here pi cancel. 8. So 9 here, 9 2 here. So it is how much here? dr by dt equal to minus 2 by 9. Decreases. So it is decreases. Part time is half how much here? 2 by 9. First option.